Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use global variables. To begin, we need to create a global variable in the Global Variable menu. When creating a global variable, you must select the scope, which determines which processes can access the variable. If you choose processes, a list of all processes will appear. Since we only have one process, we can only add this one. You can specify a value for each department to ensure that your process has the appropriate value depending on the stage. For each stage value, you can also select whether the variable is secret or not. You can edit global variables if you have the appropriate role. Next, we'll create another global variable with an organization scope. This allows each process to see that global variable. We intentionally didn't give it a production value. Now, let's move on to the process. Our process contains a local variable named demo variable. We will add a step that can receive a string variable. You'll notice that our two global variables are visible in this process and can be recognized by a blue dot next to the variable name. Local variables do not have that blue dot. After saving the process and trying to publish it to the production stage, we receive information that the production value for our global variable doesn't exist. This helps to ensure that all variables are set up before publishing a process to the test or production stage. We will add the production value and publish the process again. Now, let's create a new process to see which global variables are visible to the new process. Only the organization variable is visible. After saving the process, we will add this process to the global variable process scope. Next, we will create a global variable that can be changed inside the process. For this purpose, the variable must be in process scope and defined as non-constant. We will use the set global variable step to change the value of the global variable. You'll see that only this variable for setup is visible. We'll provide the new value for the global variable. After running the process in the development stage, the global value will be changed only in the development stage. Let's check it. Now, we'll revisit our first process. If you need more information about the possibilities of using that step, click on the Info button. In this process, the global variable for edit is not available. To be able to set up a global variable, we must add the process to the global variable scope.